I mean, it'd help me more if I can scout him. Mark, practice matches are all well and good, but we shouldn't start working on the mega moves again. We're going to need them if we're going up against the Genesis. You're right. Why not ultimate techniques? I'm gonna wait with that because first I want to see. Yes. You can recruit for me. Yes! Come on! Let me get Aphrodite. Yes, please? Okay, we're hoping. I heard Aphrodite is somewhere in a view over water. Somewhere with a view over water. That could be anywhere. That could be... Could be riverbank. I mean, I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna just look it up. Inazuma 11 fandom. Returning. I am very sorry for the people that are disappointed in me now, but I do want him. Where is this? Oh, he's at the pond. And yeah, of course he is. He's always there. Well, he's not always there. I think he shows up sometimes. Oh, these guys are here. Man, what are you doing here? What did he say? It's a lover's life. Interesting. So, I am... Oh, fuck off. Okay, well, we won this. Which is good. Wait, is it like something shows up or what? Yeah, okay. So this is exactly what the wiki says. Like, this is the quickest way. Just go up and down the tower. It has to be 4 spots. This might take a while. There it is. So now we're gonna switch Heartland up with someone who actually can kick a ball. Sorry, Heartland, no offense. Come on, Aphrodite. Would you care for a match? Yes, please. I would love for a match. Icarus. Da 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 da. That was too far. Whoops. Got a Trigo lead. Oh damn. Well, let's start off with a little fire tornado. I'm gonna need more strikers. Unless if he does that, then I'm fine. But hey, we didn't know that yet. We're 1-0 up. 2 more goals. 20 minutes. Or 20 in-game minutes. That's of course not 20 minutes. Volcano cut. Does not win against Heaven's Time. That is problematic. I press skip, which in this game didn't really count as a skip. Majin the hand guy. He doesn't shoot. I don't think he has a shoot strong. A shoot Hisatsu. Majin the hando. Okay, another fire tornado. Shoot up. Now he does giant wall, which should stop fire tornado, but also wreck his TP. So that's actually kind of good. Oh, that was an instant pass. That was. It is our goalkeeper. Oh, that's problematic. Mark. That's problematic. Oh, it's not! It's not! Let's go! Now he's 40 TP, which is too little for Tsunami Wall, which is good. And I have 7 more minutes to get Ju to shoot. Because I don't think a normal kick will make it in, so I'll do an inner zone break. Sliding tackle. Let's go. Yeah, I escaped straight to him there. That's great. Very good on my part. This could be problematic. And it is. Because now we... time's running out. Okay. Time. This needs to be the perfect play now. Come on, Jude, run onto it. No, Jude, there's no way I score from this angle, is there? It's all or nothing right here. I think it's all. I think it's in. Booyah! Talk about a fucking last second goal. Wait a minute. Do I need to do another battle? You are as good as I remember, but this I will give you the... Oh, please no. I lost all my TP. Another one of these. Well, menu. Items. Our TPs or FPs are fine, so I guess I could just do... like this. And now it's gonna be harder. And he also has 3 more TP, which isn't fun. Fire tornado! I'm scared. This is gonna be hard. Tsunami wall, and I think he's gonna be able to do it twice. Yes, he is. I'm gonna take a risk, Fireball Storm. Because I do have a plan. And I do hope this gets past Tsunami Wall. Come on, this is important for my plan. And it failed, so now my plan is in ruins. Yeah, whoa, what a surprise. God damn it, god damn it, god damn it, god damn it. I think I might be too low leveled, which is a problem, because this is actually really hard. Yes, 75 TP left, which does definitely mean they're high leveled. Please work. Yes. Okay. First of all, this needs to go in, otherwise there's no chance. I need to play it to near perfection, which is actually really scary to think about. This is the only attempt I'm gonna do on stream, by the way. On screen. If this fails, I'm gonna do it off screen until I succeed. Okay. The scary thing is I think there's a third one coming after this. And I'm not sure if I'm prepared for the third one. Okay, that's 2-0. I have 2 players who can score right now. Definitely keep it up, yes. More the same, if not better. He does know heat tackle, yes. And I click skip, which doesn't really skip. Now this is scary. Reflect Buster. Oh, which takes so much time! Fuck! And if it's in, it's GG anyway. If it's not, then I need to hope it lands with Axel. Oh! Great. Ah! anyway, yeah, I'm gonna leave that here at this point, and I'm gonna come back when I got him. So, BRB, and I'm back, and we did it. First I was thinking of leveling Axel a bit, which I think I did like about 1 or 2 levels, but that's not what the tactic was. I just went to aim and train the Axel's kick to 75, or 70, not 75. And here we are with Afadi, who's only level 20. Well, I mean, at least he's there. And who's gone? It will be... Ooh. Yeah! Yeah. Sorry, Tori. Well, I don't like you, it's just that it's Afadi. Anyone could have made plays in my team for Afadi. But it ended up being Tori. Do I know where to go? No. There we are. Have to go here. Let's not forget. Oh, he's already there. He knows his place with the number 8 shirt on. Are you ready to begin practicing the mega moves? Yes. That's why I'm here. 2 mega moves hold the key to defeating Genesis. First, there's goalkeeper move Mugen the Hand, and then there's the ultimate mega move the Earth. We just need to master the ultimate moves and we're all good, right? Well, what are we waiting for? Yeah, no, she's right. Easier said than done. Blah blah blah, let's train. Are you ready, everyone? Ready when you are, man. Here we go. Why are you trading with... I guess now it makes sense. The Earth. The energy's just missing. That's what's happening. They messed up pretty spectacularly, didn't they? You're right. What's wrong with this? That was even worse than the last time we tried it. But why? What could be the reason? Oh. Yes, and... Aww. That's subtracting the Earth. We're getting nowhere like this. You gave it one shot. Let's work on some individual training for now. Yes, that's a good idea. Oh. I'd like you to stand down as Raymond's goalkeeper. Worst decision in her life, but hey, whatever. I agree with Coach Lena. No, Jude, she's wrong. Surely you felt it as well, Mark. There are other ways for you to have an impact on a match. We need to become the best team there is. We need to overcome our weaknesses. That's the only way to become perfect. And we have to become perfect if we want to be the best. We need to be perfect? But how is Mark quitting going to change anything? Mark's not quitting, he's changing position. He's going to be a sweeper. I dislike the idea. Mark's the only goalie for Raymond. Sweeper? No. No. We have Kenda on the bench. Can't we just let Kenda learn Mugen? No. Oh, now he learns Majin. Are you kidding me? It's so late. Where are you going? There's a new special move I'd like to look into. Really? Yes, it may not be as powerful as the Earth, but it would be help. Should help us become stronger as a team. Whatever could that be, huh? A new special move. What could it be? There's only one option. Everyone's giving it. They're all preparing to take on aliens. I am yawning. My apologies for that. Maybe if you... Yes, that will work. Lena, you're a traitor. Why at the riverbank? Just let the story be over. River bank. Dun 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 dun. We did X level up after Artenicus. Yeah, because he was on 70, now he's on 73. DM was on 65. So now we have strong strikers. And that's even without... Ooh! Them are here. Come on, lads. You're late. This is no time to be slacking off. So these are the members of the original Inazuma 11. This is blimmin' amazing. You all the legends, which you didn't know at all. I doubt. I don't doubt. We've heard a lot about you. Who the fuck talks about Darren? What? Mugen behind though. How'd you face sideways? How'd you fuck up that badly? Down, down. You told me to mess Mugen the hand. Yeah, whatever. Something, something. Very true. Haha. I think Darren can learn it because it's second best to what's it called? Kaminotake, Fist of Justice, yes. Hang in there, Darren. No, you can't. I mean, he can because it's a story, but at least he faced 4 this time, so there's an improvement. Did he though? It was a very weak version of Mugen, so I don't know if he really mastered it. Oi, Mark, that's the place to kill the ladies, man. Or like, that sounded bad. I meant like lady killer, you know. But kill the ladies is not how you say it. Hate you bring the people you like, man. Like the girls. Yeah. Darren doesn't think he can do it because he's not good enough. I mean, I'd agree with him. Mark don't. Mark says, no, you can do it. Try your best. And now he's alone. And now Sylvia's there. No, Sylvia. Names are too similar. It's been a while since we've seen this view. Yeah. Do you regret it? Lying there. I'm sorry. Well, I mean, I do. I mean, he trusts Darren. At least one of us does. Mark, there's something I want to tell you. After we beat Alias, that is something you want to tell me? Can't you just tell me now? But I'm not ready now. You're a weird girl, you know that? Text message. It's from Coach Lena. Come to bus immediately. I wonder what's going on. Who knows? Let's head to the bus and find out. What's going on in the bus? In the bus? What? I don't recall anything happening on the bus. Also, this episode is pure filler, basically, which is... damn.